Just simply come on to this website, choose how much money you want to make, follow me along step by step, and I'll show you exactly how you can make yourself thousands of dollars all in passive income. Hi guys, what is up? How's it going? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can earn $1,750 searching on Google easy and fast. Guys, this method is completely beginner friendly and you don't need any investment whatsoever. All that you need to do is simply follow me along step by step till the very end and not skip anything. And without wasting any more of your time, let's jump into step number 1.
Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're gonna be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe.
Step number 1. So in step number 1, I want you to come on to mindsumo.com. So guys, when you come on to mindsumo.com, you will see this dashboard in front of you. From over here, now I'm gonna basically tell you how is this gonna work. Mindsumo is basically a platform where different brands, different big companies come and get their ideas from. So basically, like, if I have an idea and I don't know how to execute it, I'm gonna come on to Mindsumo, I'm gonna post an ad, and I'm gonna basically get all the answers, and then I'm gonna pay money to whoever answers my questions, because that's just how real life works. They have developed the biggest ideas for the biggest brands like IBM, Groupon, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Amazon, and all these big brands. And over here you can also see basically how much clients are willing to pay for like getting simple answers to different questions. So what you can do now is you can simply click on I'm a problem solver. After that, simply from over here apply, and then simply get recognized. Now you can even pay for your college expenses as well if you really have all the answers, and the method that I'm about to show you is gonna give you all the answers for absolutely free. All that you need to know is simply how to type on a keyboard and you will be good to go. You absolutely don't need to use your brain even 0.5%. So over here you can simply now click on view current challenges, and then that is basically going to show you all the different challenges that are open right now. So basically a brand is saying that please help us decide which tagline to use for one of our brands. I'm going to open this one up, and then I'm gonna simply take a look at what they're offering. So they are in the process of creating a new tagline for one of their brands, and they have identified 2 options that they really like. Option number 1 is here for the ups, downs, and everything in between, and option number 2 is here for the ups, downs, and in betweens. Guys, option 2 obviously sounds far better. So what you can do is you can simply click on I have an idea and send them a detailed review as to why option 2 is better, and just simply put in fancy words in there, and you will be given upwards of up to $800. And they have so far had 20 submissions. So guys, you still have a good chance of actually getting this gig down if you watch this video ASAP. Now after that, you can even see all the reward tiers, all the everything that you can actually achieve if you were to put your mind and effort into this. Now this is basically one example. Now there are obviously more complex tasks over here as well. So for example, how would you convince consumers that self-driving cars are safe? So let's open this one up. They are also paying $800 to the top 30 people. So I'm going to simply copy the question. I'm gonna come on to Google and use the old school way of simply pasting it over here and pressing enter. Guys, there you go. You have the answers in front of you. Guys, it is that simple to actually get the answers. So now I'm gonna open up these different articles. So for example, in this article, I can basically see that we have all the answers and we have a very detailed answer. So what I can do is I can simply copy this from the start till the end, and I can simply send this as an answer over here, because obviously this is from an article that is online, and this is a big blog as well. Then we even have this one too. So honestly, the options are there, the potential is there. You just need to keep close track of all these things. So now from over here, basically I want you to just simply see what do they want to see in the answer. So over here we can basically see that this particular company needs the following in the answer. Do you think self-driving cars are safe? Does the brand name play a role in perceiving that a self-driving car is safer? Please explain in detail how would you convince consumers that self-driving cars are safe. And after that, basically even more options as well. Submissions will be graded on the following criteria, basically a 1 to 10 scale. And then also you have the option to submit now. Then again, the reward tiers are there. So honestly guys, it is that easy to actually find the answers. Now once you found the answers, it is not a good practice to like to simply copy all of this. What I want you guys to do instead is copy this and then simply open up a new tab and type in over here Quillbot. Now once you type in Quillbot, open up the first link and then simply paste your text over here. Click on paraphrase. Now once you do this, on the right side you will find your text paraphrased but like with different wording. So like whatever you typed in over here, it's gonna have the same meaning over here on the right side, but the only thing is that it's gonna be paraphrased. Basically nobody will be able to tell that you copied it from this particular website. So once you have that, come back over here, click on I have an idea and sign up, and then just simply submit your answers. Guys, it is that easy. Now coming back, you can even see we have more cool options and answers as well. Guys, like this method doesn't actually require you to be a genius or anything. Like this is so simple, and honestly anybody can do this. And we even have these options over here as well. Basically, what is the future of COVID post COVID-19? Then we have a help us create ideal skincare experience. Like, you know, all these options are so easy. Now over here we basically have this particular company offering $10,000. So I'm gonna open up this one, and then after that I will basically be able to see all the submissions that they've had so far and how much are they willing to pay. So like they're willing to pay $10,000 to the top 10 people. Guys, that is insane. So like simply copy this question, click on open up another tab, paste that question in Google, simply from over here see all the answers on Quora. Like Quora is a very reliable source for finding question and answers, and I would recommend this any time of the day. So now that you have this, simply open this up, and then after that simply copy the answer. Once you have the answer, come over here, paste it over here, paraphrase. Once you do this, you will have officially paraphrased this answer, and then after that, now what I want you to do is I want you to simply click on copy from the bottom right, and then simply come back to MindSumo. Again, similarly, click on see more like this, and then simply start answering. Guys, it is that simple. And guys, honestly, this is basically the method. Make sure to always check the deliverables to see what the client is actually looking for, and you will be good to go and making money in no time. Because guys, like in times of COVID, when there is just so much going on, like people are literally losing everything that they had, every single thing. So for you to like go out and do these methods, try out these different applications, try out these different websites, is a really groundbreaking, because not only does it allow you to become a savior for your friends and family, because in these difficult times everybody needs a job, but also it helps you to like make a living for yourself and earn some additional money for yourself, so that you guys can also achieve your financial goals, whether that be buying a Lamborghini, whether that be buying your own motorcycle, whether that be helping someone else. It all depends upon you, but my job is to make sure you guys get resources, get ways to monetize your time online, because that is what we want ultimately, and that is our end goal from this channel. So guys, all in all, if you guys face any confusion, you guys know how you guys can reach out to me through the comment section down below, because I respond to all the comments who really want help, and I will guide you till the end, until and unless you guys understand every single thing. So guys, do not hesitate to reach out to me. So guys, this was the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.